Today I will be showing you how to use MidJourney Discord. For this you have to go to your Play Store and search for the Discord app. If it is showing update message, you have to update your app. Once the app has been updated, go back and open your app. Once you have logged into your Discord app, now you have to go to this channel, Newbies23 channel. After logging into this channel, it will show the layout like this. Here you have to give command for whatever you want to create here. You have to just follow these simple steps. Now write imagine. Now it will show this prompt here. Now click on this prompt. Now write whatever you want to create. I'm writing like, now for the quality option you have to write 4K quality or whichever you want. Now for the ratio, you can select any ratio you want. Just you have to type these commands. After giving all the commands, you have to press this send button here. While it is creating your art, you have to wait for the process. It will create any type of art in just few seconds. As you can see, it created 4 versions of one command I gave it. Now you can upscale any image you want, or you can download all the 4 images. For this you have to select U1 for first image, U2 for second image, U3 for third image, and U4 for fourth image. I am going to upscale my second image one variation, so I will select V1 option here. It will upscale second image with one variation, so I will wait for the process. Here as you can see, it's upscaling my second image. I have to wait for the process. Now as you can see, my image has been upscaled. Now I will select any one of this image to download it. To download this image, you have to press these 3 icons here and then press this save icon. So by following these easy steps, you can create any type of art in MidJourney. And that's how you can use MidJourney Discord.